Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL in Portofino Gray. With forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 55,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, remote start, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10738A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.